Got a broken fog light on my VW Passat. I've managed to purchase a replacement from eBay which cost me only £10. So now we're just going to remove the old one and fit the new one in. What you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver, and there is a screw just in the right hand side of the grille which you just need to undo, and we'll then be able to remove the grille. Once the screw's undone, it's a case of just gradually working it out, and it unclips. You can see the clips along the edges here, and this one fits in the side, and you just need to be able to work that out gradually. With a Torx T25 screwdriver, you'll be able to remove the two screws on this side and the final screw on this side, and we can then remove the housing. So we just need to untwist this, and we can lift the bulb cluster out. Just wiggle it out gently. We can then fit that in the new one, making sure that you line up the correct tabs. There's one small one and two wide ones. That just twists on, and we can now refit it. We can now refit. We need the three Torx T25s, one here, two here. Now I've got the Torx screws in place, so we'll just refit the grille. Remember, this end needs to go in first, so the tab clips in here. Once the retaining screws fitted, that's the job done.